Hi, Bruce here with Coastal Real Estate Company, and welcome to this week's blog for September 16th, 2022. The topic this week is a crucial first step, mortgage pre-approval. So we're going to talk a little bit about what a pre-approval is and why it's important to get your process started. So it's a crucial first step. Mortgage pre-approval means a lender has reviewed your finances and determined how much you're qualified to borrow. So what does this entail? So some factors that may affect your pre-approval are your income and how that is actually taken, whether it's a W-2, you're self-employed, your current debt, which would include, your car payments, your credit card payments, any other debt or loans you may have, your current assets. So if you own other homes or you own other valuable pieces of whatever it may be, artwork or whatever you collect. Your credit history is important, obviously, and also your employment history. So most of the time, they're going to want to see at least 2 years of work history to give you a mortgage pre-approval. The benefits of a pre-approval. So number one, it gives you clarity when determining your home buying budget. So I preach this all the time. Obviously, the price of the home that you're buying is important, your interest rate is important, but most importantly is the amount you're comfortable spending monthly. So with your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, which would be called your PITI payment, you want to make sure that this is a comfortable number for you and you're not over leveraging yourself. You don't want to be house poor. So we can reverse engineer the purchase price of the home you plan to buy based on what you're comfortable with spending. And during the first step, find out if the market right now even makes sense for you to buy. Can you even get what you want for what you're willing to spend a month? So super important. Number two, it helps sellers know your offer is serious. So if I send over an offer to a listing agent, or if I'm the listing agent, bringing an offer to a seller without a pre-approval or an explanation of where these funds are coming from is pretty much worthless. So we usually go one step beyond this and provide some information that a DU, which is a desktop underwriting report, contains, makes your pre-approval even stronger than just the pre-approval. So you want to make it as appealing to the seller as possible and show them that you are fully qualified to buy their house. Number three, you would be more confident in your ability to secure a loan. So you don't want to waste any time. No one in the process wants to waste any time looking at properties, running around town, making offers. If something in your financial history does not allow you to qualify for a loan. So going to look at houses before getting your pre-approval or getting your financial piece of the equation in place is definitely putting the cart before the horse. And quite honestly, personally, I won't work with anyone or show any property to anyone until I know that they have a pre-approval or can provide me with a letter from the bank showing that they have the cash to purchase. So what I would suggest is connect with your trusted professional today to learn more and start your home buying process if it's something that you plan to do. It's definitely the first step of your process, and even if you don't qualify today or it doesn't make sense, at least you know where you stand, and you also give your agent and your mortgage broker the opportunity to keep tabs on this for you and let you know when in the future may be a good time for you to buy. So as always, if you are interested in obtaining a mortgage or you're interested in looking at property and potentially buying something, let's definitely connect today and discuss your individual situation. And remember, who you work with is important and your strategy always matters. Hope everyone has a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next week.